how to actually make money. So first of all, learn what is money. Like, see that what is money and how it works. Like, if you're having $100 bill, then how could you use it? Just learn that how to use it. Because if there is a person who doesn't have knowledge about money, what will he do with that? He will take that $100 bill, go out, eat something, or just spend it on their clothes, which is not bad, but also not better or good. Because if you actually want to become rich or wealthy, this is not what you have to do with money. Because if you really want to become rich, you have to make your money work for you. So, to learn how to make your money work for you, you have to gain knowledge about it. So, today I'm telling you the steps how to just use money, like how to spend money or how to work with money. So, step one, gain knowledge. How to gain knowledge? With videos, but not only from videos. Go out, spend some of your money on these things like these books, because the true knowledge is being written in these books. So go out and spend on this, because the more you spend on this, the more you will get here. So go and spend on books, read those, and gain knowledge. Because after reading the books, the knowledge that you gain, you have to implement it. Because only reading doesn't make you better, but after reading, when you implement those things that what you gained by reading those books, that is what changes you. So learn, gain knowledge, and implement that knowledge into action, and then see the change in your life. So this was our first step. So our second step is going to be that learn how to make money. Because if you know how to make money, it means you know all about money. Because making money is the biggest step you have to take. So go out, make money. How to make money? You could do a 9 to 5. You could just do a, like, you could have a passive income. Like, you could do drop shipping, trading, and then sales, like FBA and Amazon Marketplace. Like, these are all income sources. So try this. But to do this all, you need knowledge. So first step, gain knowledge. Second step, make money. And our third step, that where to invest this money. You have to invest this money to gain more money. This is our third step. But how to invest money to gain more money? So this is the most important part. So go and use this money in, like, mutual funds, stocks, bonds, and then other niches where you could multiply your money. So after investing, then take out the profits, and then our next step, make that profits as your dividends. Spend your profits, and the money that you had invested before, just invest it again, multiply that. So keep multiplying money, and then take out the dividends, spend that dividends. But the profits, they should be just being invested so that they could work on your retirement at the age where you couldn't work, the age when you will be just lying on your bed, or at your just bad times. Like, just think if there will be any serious problem or injury happen to you, so you could take that money and use it for your that one situation. So this is our steps how you could just learn money. So if you have understood those whole steps, then congratulations, you could become rich, you could become wealthy. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like and share with your friends with whom you have to start a business or you have to become rich. And after that, goodbye, and surely invest here.